wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Maratu Solihah. I am student in Muhammadiyah University Surakarta, Department of Nutrition. I am number J310190007. Because I am a nutritionist, in here I will explain how to make a chicken soup. Preface, the tool and ingredient for making a chicken soup, as we all know, the ingredients are chicken, tomato, garlic, leaf, salt, sugar, pepper, and the water. It's okay. Let's step by step for making a chicken soup. First of all, cut and wash the chicken until clean. Second, add the water into the pan and heat until it boils. And then put the chicken into the pan until half tender. Cut the small vegetables like carrots, tomato, leeks, and put into the pan and add the salt, sugar, and pepper to the taste. And then stir the soup until all ingredients mix and wet into soup cook. After cook, turn off the stove and pour the soup into the bowl. Finally, sprinkle the fried onions and soup is ready to be served. Now that was why to my version to make a chicken soup, and I hope you like it, and thank you for watching video, and see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.